Hello guys and happy Friday. So I've had the whole day off and I was supposed to be vlogging but I wasn't. But I thought I'd jump on and give you guys a quick update. So as far as my room's concerned, I've just got some new bits from M&S Home which I'm unboxing. So I just got some new pillows, a new throw, some new cushions. I had this IKEA bedside table assembled earlier by a TaskRabbit person, though this is not what I actually ordered. I actually went in there to get a chest of drawers which is supposed to go here, and when he fixed it up and did it, I came in, I was like, that ain't what I ordered, and realised that I picked up the wrong box in IKEA. So I've ordered that stuff online. I've brought in some of my books and my pictures, and it's all starting to come together. I moved the wardrobe again because the chest of drawers is going to go there, but for now I'm just going to put y'all over here and you can make my new bed with me. There you go. Multitasking. I've got some girls coming over in the next hour. So I managed to just sneak to M&S really quickly to get some food. And I will do a little grocery haul for you guys. Show you what I eat or what I serve up for a girls' night out with the Star of Substance, aka Noddy. Oh, this is nice. So this was from Marks and Spencer's. It was £45. Very fucking pricey, so it better be nice. Don't know which way around it is. I think it's this way. I think I'll do it like that, maybe. Who knows? Do you know what I'm thinking? I'm going to move this mirror. Why am I even recording this? Okay. Now I've thrown a really interesting colour in here. I've got a navy blue, just because I'm kind of loving that vibe right now, but I don't know, thinking about it now, whether it's going to go. So we will have to see. Okay. Okay, so that's that. So I've got these cushions. So I've got two of these. And then, this is what I was talking about. Oh, let's take the pizza out, see? And then I've got these velvet ones. So I'm going to need some like blue accents in here at some point. Should I maybe? So here's what I'm trying to do. The blue kind of comes out of nowhere, but I'm going to get some blue stuff. So work with me here. And I'm just thinking, should I maybe do it one after the other kind of vibes? Like this. Yeah, I quite like that. Okay. So that's the red done. It's looking like that. Take this off so you can get a good old look at it. Bed is done. I think the mirror is going to move, potentially. But for now, this is what this is looking like. Let me take this. Yeah, need a new canvas up there for sure. In the kitchen, we have lots of bits going on. So in the oven, probably ready now. Oh dear. Focaccia and let me take it out. That is burning you. Ooh, okay. Just timed it right. Probably could have done with one less minute. So I've got a char grilled vegetable and pesto pizza. I've got some now very burnt focaccia. What else did I get? I also got let's do a proper grocery haul. I got some Italian salad, 2 of those. I got some of these like Greek salad bits, so that's like feta and olives, 2 of those. And then also in it I got some sun-dried tomatoes. And then I got some breadsticks and some tortilla chips. And in here I've got some cloudy apple juice, some tropical juice, some prosecco, some French vinaigrette dressing for the salad, some more prosecco, and then they had these really some dip, and then they had these really cute little dessert pots. So this is like a passion fruit kind of. It's got like a passion fruit coulis and then like a creamy bit and then like biscuit at the bottom. So I got 4 of these and they were like 79p each. So I think I spent a total of, let's purge you guys somewhere else. So I probably spent a total of about £20 in Lidl and I got all that. And I imagine I probably would have spent that on a takeaway which would have lasted me all of 2 seconds. So Lidl for the win. That's why I'm saying we're leaving in
guys, I'm so
10 minutes.
Do you want any napkins?
I just use that blue thing. Focus. So, happy Sunday, guys. We are on our way out, but the sofa is here. Woo! I've got a little sofa model there at the moment, but Leonie, you can get in and do it better.
Okay, don't worry.
Come on, let's show them.
Don't mind me, I'm just going.
Show them around.
The Kana sofa. Welcome to Matteo.
Lovely. Just absolutely stunning. We're here with Shamim. Shamim, make your appearance. This sexy lady is, she's like a sister, to be honest. She's like a sexy sister. Sexy sister. Oh, we're all in black tonight. Girl band. Come on. Normal. Oh. Alright, yeah, we've had a bit to drink. We're heading out tonight. Going to Pier 1, chill and grill. I probably won't vlog any of the night, but if you do want to know what happens, probably follow Leonie on Instagram at Leonie Joyce, and you'll see how the night unfolds. So we'll see you guys there.
birthday message. Give me a sober one before
Oh,
it
for
all kicks
myself.
off. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Joyce. It's 27, so we've got to start a week and a day early. So we moved tonight. We've got the siblings out for their first reggaeton night. As you can see, they're so excited right now. They got the silks on, they got the suedes on, they got the drip on.
Drip too hard, drip too hard, too hard when I go this way.
It's gonna be a great night, and I hope you're all prepared.
We're not.
By
To the
way,
Ghana.
To the Ghana.
The birthday girl, giving us a little send-off message. Because we're going off, sis.
Oh,
Tonight, yes we are.
not the test.
I mean business. So, we'll see you.
In the words of our friend Cindy Hope.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.